Yo, what up, guys? I'm back. Why did she jump down? Maybe my wife.
I'll see you at the watchtower as soon as the rest of the men have gathered.
So you think we can stop a dragon? But we're just regular soldiers. How are we supposed to stop a dragon? Oh. Oh, cannonball. You know, swimming on this game isn't the best. Oh my. Have on you. If you don't have anything good on you, I'll kill you. Yeah.
The mighty, Talos the unerring,
Talos?
the unassailable. To you we give praise and deserve our praise, you two, for we are one.
Talos.
Ere you ascended, and the 8 became 9.
Here.
You walked among us great.
The guards in Dragon Street say you aided the yard.
I don't really.
Half of Whiterun, I think.
Dragonborn. I just like the book. You know, I like that book. The Book of Dragonborn. Here, I'll show you guys the book. I think I have it on me. See, look, the Book of Dragonborn. Very interesting. It's about a man that has a dragon. Yo, what up? Now, let's see. Right now, I can tell
You heard right.
everyone who's
I
not
said a
that.
dragon. I don't much care where it came from or who sent it.
Awkward moment when you.
That it's made the mistake of attacking Whiterun.
Bro.
But Houseguard, how can we fight a dragon?
I'm a man.
That's a fair question. None of us have ever seen a dragon before, or expected to face one in battle.
Oh my god, this lady nags and nags. No, none of us have ever seen a dragon. How's a dragon supposed to beat a staff of frostbite? And yeah, magic. Did you keep?
But we are honor-bound to fight it, even if we fail. This dragon is threatening our homes, our families.
You don't have family. Freaking, you don't even got a butt.
Could you call yourselves Nords if you ran from this monster?
Oh my god,
Are you going to let
I
me
hate how.
face this thing alone?
Maybe it's perfect for you guys. Audio fix. Music down. Voices high. Footstep. Effects don't be too loud either. Yeah. Look at this, I'm level 6. Whoa. I'm pulling that bird. I got that bird. Oh.
But it's more than our honor at stake here. Think of it. The first dragon seen in Skyrim since the last age.
Oh my god. You know what?
The glory of killing it is ours. If you're with me.
Once this speech is over, I'm just gonna end the episode.
Now what do you say? Shall we go kill us a dragon?
No. I'd rather stay at home.
Damn right.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys aren't much for emphasis. Yeah, I'm gonna
move on.
end it staring at this guy. Okay, Sonic Blaster 123 ODST.